Oh, no, 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 no. Oh.
Hi guys, this is Carol again. You guys know I am a late bloomer at times. So I was up late one night watching everybody unbox their not polished mystery box. And I kind of get to feeling jealous that I didn't order one. And I was not into the mystery box type of dynamics, but like I said, I was bored one night. I couldn't sleep, and so I got online and said, let me see if there is what's in the mystery boxes first to begin with. Let's see what's in it, if I'm interested. And so other people unboxed theirs, and I was like, oh, I should get one. But then I wasn't sure if they still had them. So I got onto Not Polished website, and they still had the small and the medium. The small and the medium box. So I decided to get one. So I know you guys must have seen a 101 unboxing. A 101 unboxing already. Oops. But you didn't see mine, so here we go. I got a small one and a medium one. Let me see what you guys are seeing. So let's see what I got in the small one. And I saw somebody open this, so I knew it was kind of weird how they opened it. Am I doing this right? I know the box kind of folds a weird way. How did it? How do you open this? That's one way to do it. So we got some, yeah, this is exactly what I needed for my next set. I'm going to take them all out and then I'm going to show you. I'm quite sure I opened this the wrong way. Oh wow, I got the half moons, guys. This is perhaps the worst unboxing you've ever seen. Sunset Glow and wifey material, none of which I have. And Milky White, I have one of those, but I can always use another one. I think that's it for this box. So let's see what we got. We got some gel and nail polish combo in, what is this? Wow, I could so use this. Don't know what it's called, but it's gel and nail polish. All right, you already seen the hand files, which I think is voodoo on a stick because those things are so amazing. And this one is candy, yum yum. I love pink. The product was outside on the front porch, so it's kind of cold. What we got here? So this is a black gel liner, and I am so excited about this. I haven't tried their gel liners yet, and I'm really excited that there was one in the box. And then we have the glosset. I can always use more of that. And of course, the universal tips in the long, straight coffin stiletto. This is my next set, guys. And I have not used their chromes, and so I got a nice silver one. All right, we'll figure out how to open this later. And let's jump into the medium box and see if I have any better luck opening this one. First of all, I have to figure out where the top of the box is. I should have paid attention to how everybody else opened their boxes. And I'm assuming because they taped it this way means that that is how it's supposed to open. So guys, today I had a full day in the salon, and apart from working, I was baby watching. My niece was having her second son. So she successfully delivered at around 1:22, 1:30 today. Beautiful, handsome little baby boy. New addition to the family. Guys, this must be the most pathetic box opening you guys have ever seen. I have no clue. Honey? Oh, I feel like an invalid. Yeah, so we have a new addition to the family, guys. Baby boy. His name is Zaim Anthony. Can't remember. He has an African last name that I can't pronounce. Honestly speaking, mind, guys, I'm just going to rip this box because I have no clue how else I was supposed to open this box. And obviously this is not the direction they expected me to open it in. But the bottom line, it's open. Oh, we got some more. Can you guys see? So because of the way I open it, I'm going to have to take them all out. And then I'm going to have to show it to you because I missed box opening 101. Ooh, that feels like something I don't have one of. Oh, I got a second one. And you know what, guys? I was bent out of shape to go out and buy one of those last night. I swear this is the ugliest box opening you've ever seen. You've seen it for the first time right here on Acrylic Nail Gallery. I will empty out this box just to see if I missed anything in there. So I got another box of the straight stiletto coffin nails. I am absolutely going to use that on my next go around. I always wanted one of these, never had one. So if I think this is what I think it is. It's the palettes. Yeah, can't wait to use that. And then I got some more of things wrapped like this. And this is another glosset. Could never have enough of those. A matted. And I got a white gel liner. Yeah. Oops, oops, oops. So look forward to seeing these on something soon because I never had one. Of course, I could never have enough not polished monomer. And let's see what's in here. And am I opening this correctly? Ooh, wee. So we got some more gels. This one is I can't tell. How is it I can't tell what it is? Oh, there. So this one is OGD Duo 141. This is 140. 161. I lilac you a lot. Frost you. Ooh, nice blue. And this is a 147. So we got some polish. I'm going to have to find a place to put these. And then I have the oh, yes indeed. my next set, and I already have black. My next set is going to be black and purple. And when I saw this is Royal at Midnight. I was going to purchase this at my local store. It's a little bit dusty. But I am so happy I got one that I don't, ooh, they're dusty. This one is Dragon Slayer, Cappuccino, Electricity, Sweet Spot, and Night Out. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is the small and the medium nut polish mystery box. It's not so much of a mystery to me anymore because I just opened it up. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 powders that I got all together between the two of them. I got 2 glossets and 1 matted. Never had enough of those. Some gel liner. I got some half moons. I believe they call these. Oh, I got 2 half moons. I don't know what you call this one, but these are the half moons. And they're all 100 zebras, and I'm loving. I have the square ones that I bought recently. So I believe I have all the shapes now. Yeah. And I have some more gel polishes. Guys, I am going to have me a blast. And I got 2 of these. Yes, indeed. 1 in each box and some chrome. So look forward to me having some fun with these things. And I can't show you, but definitely this is going to be my next nail shape and length. And I cannot wait until I'm having a, what do you call it? A networking event at my salon. And I want my nails to be like this when I host this Board of Trade will be hosting their event. I will be hosting the Board of Trade at my salon, and I want my nails to be done with these. All right, guys, thank you for watching.